Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Bryce Vine, the song called Moonrock. So this is one of those songs. We have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song with one strumming pattern. Okay, so it's about 4 chords. We don't need any capo on this one, so let's start with the chords. And the first one will be A sharp, or like I played, I'm a little bit lazy. I don't like all the fingers there included, so I just do the A sharp sus chord, so to speak. So that will be the bar here on the first fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. So that's it's the A sharp sus chord. Next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have F. So that's a bar here again on the first fret, this time all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so that is the chord progression: A sharp, C, F, and D minor. So let's look at the strumming, and this one is an odd one, so it's a little bit different. It's pretty long as well, but I think we will nail it. Just need to practice a little bit, perhaps. One round of this sounds like this. I'm gonna illustrate it with an A sharp, since that is the first chord. So let's go. Okay, so that is down, and then you have a short break, so, and then clap. So, like this. And then after this clap comes fast, up, down, clap, and then down. So fast, everything, up, down, clap, down. And then you have a short break, and then clap. So, a little bit different. So, again, down, clap, up, down, clap, down, clap. That is one round. Down, clap, up, down, clap, and then the next chord. You're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So with this chord progression, I'm gonna show how it plays, and I'm gonna take down the tempo a bit so you understand. So let's go. It's on standard tempo like this. And so on. Yeah, give it a try. Cool song from Bryce Vine, Moonrock. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.